Welcome to How to Master. Today, in this video, I will show you how to permanently delete your Kucoin account. First of all, you need to click on Kucoin app. Now, you need to click on your profile. Now you need to click on security. And then you can click on delete account. Now, when you fully understand and accept the consequences, you need to check that option which is available down here. Now, you can see that delete account button is became green. Now you need to click on the green delete account button. Now, I will click on I no longer want to use this account, which will permanently delete this account.